Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing a timeless flooring option that adds both comfort and style to your home: woolen carpets. Woolen carpets have been long prized for their natural beauty and luxurious feel. Join us as we explore the benefits of woolen carpets and discover different designs options to enhance your living space. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's get started. Natural comfort and insulation. One of the key benefits of woolen carpet is their natural comfort and insulation. We will discuss how how wool fiber provide a soft and plush surface to walk on, create a cozy atmosphere in any room. Additionally, woolen carpets have excellent thermal insulation properties, helping to keep your space warm during colder months. Durability and longevity. Woolen carpets are known for their durability and longevity. We will explore how the inherent strength of wool fabric make them resistant to wear and tear, allowing the carpet to maintain its appearance for many years. Discover how investing in woolen carpets can be a wise choice for long-term use. Natural beauty and texture. Woolen carpets exhibit natural beauty and texture that add a touch of elegance to any room. We will discuss the unique characteristics of wool fabrics, such as their lustrous sheen, rich colors, and natural shape. Learn how woolen carpets can enhance the visual appeal of your space and create a warm and inviting ambience. Allergy friendly and air purifier. Woolen carpets offer benefits for those with allergies and respiratory sensitivities. We will explore how wool fabrics naturally repel allergens such as dust, mites, pollens, and pet dander, making them a hypoallergenic choice for flooring. Additionally, wool has the ability to purify indoor air by absorbing harmful pollutants and improving air quality. Design versatility. Woolen carpets comes in a wide range of designs, patterns, and colors, allowing for endless possibilities in interior design. We will discuss different options like solid stone, subtle patterns, and bold designs to suit various decor styles. Discover how to choose a woolen carpet that complements your existing furnishings and enhance your overall aesthetic. Maintenance and care. Proper maintenance and care are essential for preserving the beauty and longevity of woolen carpets. We will provide tips on regular vacuuming, spot cleaning, and professional cleaning to keep your carpet looking its best. Learn how to protect your investment, ensure that your woolen carpet remains in its pristine condition. Eco-friendly choice. Woolen carpets are an eco-friendly choice. We will discuss the sustainability of wool fabric as well as the biodegradable and renewable nature of wool. Explore how choosing a woolen carpet contributes to a greener and more inviting conscious home. That concludes our video on woolen carpets, the perfect blend of comfort and style. We hope you have gained valuable insights to the benefits and design options for woolen carpets. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are considering carpeting options, and don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.